Hello everyone, this is Miss Stephanie from Willard Library, and today I am going to read you a story, Click, Clack, Ho, 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 by Doreen Cronin. And we would like to thank Scholastic for allowing us to read this story. And in case I forget, while there's still supplies available, don't forget to come by Willard Library or Helen Warner branch to get your December book bundle, and you can go to our QPR code and listen to some of the stories that have already been read. And guess what? Santa Claus is going to have an appearance, and he's going to read you a story as well. So that being said, let's get on with our book. Click, clack, ho, ho, ho. Snow is falling, lights twinkle, creatures are stirring. It is Christmas Eve. There is a jingle in the air. Farmer Brown stops to listen. Santa is on his way. There he goes. Does that look like Santa? Wonder what's gonna happen. There's a swooshing up above. Farmer Brown runs to the window. Santa is getting close. What's happening? Do you see the moon? What animal is that? There is a pitter-patter on the roof. Farmer Brown hurries off to bed. Santa is almost near. I wonder what's happening. Can you see the moon now? What's near the moon? Do you see a sleigh? The sheep go up to unstuck duck. Ho, ho, uh-oh. The sheep are stuck. Oh no. What do you think is gonna happen? Can Santa get in? The cows go up to unstuck duck. Ho, ho, uh-oh. The cows are stuck. Oh no. The pigs go up to unstuck duck. Ho, ho, ho. Uh-oh. The pigs are stuck. They all go up to an unstuck duck. I wonder what's gonna happen. They're so silly. Can Santa get in? Ho, ho, uh-oh. Everyone is stuck. It is Santa's turn to unstuck duck. Do you think he can do it? That's a lot of animals. Ho, ho. Oh no! What's happening? What do you think happened? Did he unstuck the animals? Don't be silly. Santa would never get stuck. Look at Santa. Is he stuck? What happened here? Oh, the creatures are stirring. Ho, ho, ho. And away Santa goes, him and his reindeer. And that is the end of our story. Thank you for listening. Merry Christmas.